Do you struggle with weak legs, stiffness, or balance problems? If so, you are not alone. But most people just brush it off as a normal part of getting older. Big mistake. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into 3 vitamins that can fast-track stronger, more stable legs. And trust me, these vitamins are essential for everyone over 60. Now, many assume that aches, pains, and wobbly legs are just part of getting old. But here's the truth. One of the first signs of aging is actually the silent loss of muscle, called sarcopenia. It happens slowly, usually without any pain or swelling, until one day even standing up becomes hard. This is why it's crucial to take action early. The good news is that science has shown us that 3 specific vitamins can help restore strength, improve circulation, and support nerve function. The best part, no strenuous workouts or pricey therapies are needed. Just 3 simple vitamins, so let's explore how these vitamins work, where to get them, and how much you need. Vitamin D, the muscle repair powerhouse. First up is vitamin D. It's a superstar when it comes to repairing muscles. Vitamin D helps our body build new muscle proteins that lead to stronger, more durable fibers. Studies show that higher vitamin D levels are associated with improved muscle strength and function. On the flip side, low vitamin D is linked to weakness and an increased risk of falls, especially in older adults. In fact, research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that older men with low vitamin D levels were 3 times more likely to experience a hip fracture than those with sufficient levels. So how do we get enough of this vital nutrient? Well, the sunshine vitamin gets its name because our bodies can synthesize it when our skin is exposed to sunlight. However, factors like age, sunscreen use, and cloud cover can affect our ability to make adequate amounts of vitamin D from the sun alone. That's why it's essential to get it from other sources too. Foods rich in vitamin D include fatty fish like salmon, as well as egg yolks and fortified dairy products. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing vitamin D from our diet, so supplementation may be necessary. The recommended daily intake for vitamin D for most adults is around 600 to 800 international units. However, older adults may need more. Research suggests that doses between 800 and 2,000 international units daily help maintain bone health and reduce the risk of fractures in older adults. Of course, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor to determine the right dosage for you. Keep in mind that vitamin D is fat-soluble, meaning it dissolves in fat. Therefore, taking it with a meal that contains healthy fats such as those found in olive oil, avocados, or nuts can enhance absorption. Vitamin B12, crucial for nerves and muscles. Next, we have vitamin B12, which plays a critical role in keeping our nerves and muscles in sync. Our brain relies on B12 to send messages to our muscles telling them when and how to move. When we're deficient, those signals can get scrambled, leading to numbness, tingling, and overall weakness, especially in the legs. And here's the kicker, a deficiency is extremely common in older adults due to several factors including dietary issues, reduced stomach acid, and reduced absorption in the gut. These can all limit the amount of B12 our bodies absorb from food. This is why it's crucial to ensure we're getting enough of this essential vitamin. Vitamin E, vital for blood flow and endurance. Last but certainly not least, we have vitamin E. Think of vitamin E as the circulation booster and endurance enhancer. It's fantastic for improving blood flow and reducing oxidative stress in our muscles. When our muscles receive adequate blood flow, they get more oxygen and nutrients, which is especially important for endurance activities. Better circulation also helps remove waste products, allowing our muscles to recover faster. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can help reduce the damage caused by free radicals in our cells, including our muscle cells. By protecting our muscles from oxidative stress, vitamin E supports overall muscle health and function. Now, you might be wondering where we can find vitamin E. It's widely available in almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. For those who prefer supplements, mixed tocopherols are a popular choice. The recommended daily intake of vitamin E is 15 milligrams for adults. A daily intake of 100 to 200 international units of mixed tocopherols can provide the necessary antioxidants to support muscle health and circulation. Taking vitamin E with vitamin C or COQ10 can boost its antioxidant effects, offering additional protection against oxidative stress. Combining these three vitamins for maximum benefit. Now that we know the importance of each vitamin, let's discuss how to combine them for maximum benefit. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, but here's a simple strategy you can follow. Start your day with vitamin D. Take it with breakfast, preferably with a meal that includes healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, or nuts. This will aid in its absorption. Around mid-morning, consider taking vitamin B12. If you have issues with absorption, opt for the sublingual form. Finally, with your main meal of the day, include vitamin E to ensure optimal absorption. Remember, staying hydrated and incorporating some form of light exercise into your routine, such as walking or using resistance bands, can significantly enhance the results you see from these vitamins. Leg strength matters. Why is leg strength so important? Imagine not being able to walk to the mailbox, climb the stairs, or stand up from a chair without assistance. It's not just about physical limitations. It's about maintaining independence and dignity as we age. Our legs are often the first muscles to weaken with age, making it crucial to take proactive steps to support their health. As we've explored, the trifecta of vitamin D, B12, and E can play a significant role in this journey. By ensuring proper muscle function, nerve connection, and blood circulation, these vitamins can keep our legs strong and capable. It's a proactive approach to aging, one that doesn't rely on extreme diets or workout routines, but on the foundational pillars of good nutrition. So let's raise a glass to stronger legs, better balance, and a healthier life. Remember, age is just a number, and with the right mindset and the right nutrients, we can continue to live life on our own terms. Before you go, I have a question for you. Are you ready to take charge of your leg strength and overall health? If so, drop a comment below. Let's start a conversation. And if you are looking for more tips on how to boost your vitamin intake or improve your leg health, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.